You ever do the check before you walk out the house? You got the wallet, keys, phone tap, the 3-tap. I do it all the time, almost anywhere I go. In 2026, your phone is slim, your laptop is powerful, and your headphones are wireless. So why are you still carrying around a bulky Constanza leather brick in your pocket? Today, we're upgrading the everyday carry. We're looking at the Titan X ecosystem. They are not just wallets, they are precision engineered tools for your pocket. We've got the Trifold, the Bifold, and the Hybrid, all designed to bridge the gap between the classic style and high-tech security. I'm down to just a few and I'm never going back. First up, the Titan X Hybrid. This is stunning, deep blue. If you want the most tech feel, this is it. It's built with an aviation aluminum grade chamber. The standout feature, the pop-up mechanism. With one click at the bottom, your cards are out perfectly. It's tactile, it's clicky, and it's incredibly satisfying. But it's not just for the show. That aluminum shell acts as a RFID cage, blocking digital scammers from stealing your data. This is for the person who wants speed. There's no digging around slots. Click, grab, pay, and go. Now, if you love the traditional feel of a bifold but you hate the thickness, the Titan X Bifold Edition in black leather is the Pro Max version of the classic. It uses premium top-grain leather that feels high-end from day one. The layout is the smart part. It keeps that familiar folding form factor but uses a slimmed-down silhouette. Even though it looks traditional, it maintains a stealth profile that won't ruin the lines of your suit or tech wear. This is the executive tech look. It's professional, it's clean, and it fits exactly where a wallet should without the pocket bulge. This is the heavy hitter, the Titan X Trifold in carbon fiber and brown leather. Carbon fiber isn't just for supercars or aerospace anymore. It's incredibly light and it's virtually indestructible. Unlike most slim wallets that struggle with cash, the integrated clip is sturdy. It's designed for the person who still carries the analog currency but still wants a digital footprint. The mix of the rugged carbon fiber and the warmth of the brown leather is a top-tier aesthetic. If you're a maximum utility person, if you carry cards, cash, IDs, this gives you the most storage to size ratio in the entire lineup. Here's where the Titan X beats the competition, the ecosystem. The wallet is only good if you actually have it on you. That's why the Titan X Tracker card is the mandatory add-on. It's an ultra thin, literally to the size of 2 credit cards, and works natively with Apple's Find My network. If you leave your wallet at the coffee shop, your phone alerts you immediately. No more where's my keys, where's my wallet, morning panic. Whether you're a carbon fiber minimalist or a leather traditionalist, the Titan X has engineered a solution for your pocket. These aren't just accessories, they're your upgrades for your daily workflow. To recap, the Hybrid is for the speed seekers, the Bifold is for the professional, and the Trifold is for those tactical cash carriers, and the Tracker, that's non-negotiable for everyone. Check the links in the description and grab yours. And do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on all the notifications. Which one would be your pick? Carbon fiber or deep blue? Let me know down in the comments. And until then, I'm Josh and I'll see you in the next one.